Hello all. Today I just want to show quickly how to do a subtractive loft, like just the uh just the subtractive loft part. So I got an additive loft here already, as you can see. I'll put a link in the description, or actually I'll put a card up of the video I watched to get to figure that out. And now I'll do the subtractive loft, and I just want to show something. I want to show that I have the two sketches here for the subtractive loft already made. And for this bottom one, I did move the attachment so that it is inside of the cup. I still need to research a bit on how all this works here. So I'll just leave that for now. But anyways, I have this selected. Now I go up to this one here. Subtractive loft. I click it. Gives me an error that I need at least one section. I am going to add section and select this. And then I'll press OK. So there you go. That's how you do the subtractive loft. Just in case I didn't show it clearly enough, I had the small sketch selected before I did that. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you tune in to some of my future videos.